welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantal and you're very much welcome. So today I'm going to be talking about accessories and how you can use them to elevate your look. Okay, accessories are the perfect way to add a touch of personality to your outfit. They can also be used to dress up or dress down an outfit, okay, and to make a statement. Here are some few tips that I use when it comes to accessorizing. So first and foremost, choose accessories that complement your outfit. This doesn't mean that everything has to match, okay? But you should choose accessories that work well with the color and style of your outfit, okay? For example, if you're wearing a black dress, you could add a statement necklace or earrings. Or if you're wearing a casual outfit, you can add a scarf or a hat. Okay, if you're wearing something very casual like me today and you want to make that statement, you can put a statement belt. Okay, so everything goes according to how you plan it, but you should learn how to think about what you're wearing and how it's gonna match your attire. So me, I'm gonna wear this is a gown, and it's a shirt gown, and I'm gonna wear the black shoe. Yes, the black stiletto, you see? So don't be afraid to experiment, okay? There is no hard or fast rule when it comes to accessorizing. Try different things and see what works best for you, okay? You can also mix and match different styles and create a unique look. So let's talk about mix and matching different. No. Before we go there, don't be afraid to mix and match different metals and colors. These can create a unique and eye-catching look. Okay, very important. Don't be afraid. The most important thing is always to be confident in what you wear. Okay, what you wear, confidence. Experiment with your accessories. Okay, that's a trick. There's something, don't overdo it. It's important to find a balance when accessorizing. Too much accessories and you don't know how to fit it together will look cluttered and overwhelming. Start with a few key pieces, okay, and add more as needed. Add more as you grow bolder, add more as you grow confident, add more as you know what you're doing, okay? Overdoing accessories will either elevate your clothing or F it up. Like, you're not gonna go with so many with a chunk full of chains or a bow chain or too many chains up here and then too many bangles and then too many rings. Come on, what maybe you go around putting in thousands, like, you just, come on, it's off. It just makes you look cluttered and disorganized. You should consider the occasion is the occasion in which you are about to go. Where are you going? One thing, what are you doing? Okay, if you're going to a formal event, you might want to choose a dressy accessory, okay, like pearls. If you were going to a casual event, you might want to choose something fun and a funky accessories like this. Okay, so it just depends on where you're going and what you have planned. Now let's talk about some specific examples on how to really accessorize. I've been playing around. If you're wearing a simple outfit, you can add a statement necklace or an earring to dress it up. So If you're wearing something like, or you can even put on some pretty stilettos to vamp up the look. Okay. If you're wearing a casual outfit, you can add a scarf to it too, and a hat, okay, or a cap, or a hat, to add a touch of personality. So, yeah, as I said, don't forget the shoes. Shoes. It's an accessory you should never forget. That thing brings up your clothes. Like this is just a simple shirt dress, okay? It's just a simple shirt dress. Sometimes I just wear it with a pant under. Sometimes I wear it like just a dress. Like right now I'm wearing a dress. I'm wearing this a dress. I am going to put on a black pair of stilettos, and this is going to be black. And I'm gonna accessorize it with my black bag, and like my outfit is gonna be another thing. You understand? It's just gonna elevate it. If you're wearing a black colored dress, you can add a pop of color with your accessories, such as a red handbag or a belt, or a pearl chain dress, or chain necklace. Like, it depends on, you can always add. See, there's a rule with black. When you wear black, every single color that is not dark is pretty with it, okay? You can wear yellow, you can wear like, just bring out the colors, let it pop, especially if you're wearing a black gown or black pants. Like, you just pop it, like bring one color that pops it, that brings out that. Yeah, you can add a pop of color to your dress, to your black dress. Okay. If you're going for a formal event, you can add a touch of elegance with accessories such as pearl necklaces and diamond earrings. Okay. And don't forget, your shoe matters. I keep saying it. Shoes. I know I'm a shoe freak, but shoes elevate you. It brings you to the next level of fine. Accessories are a great way to add interest and personality to your outfit. By following these tips, you can accessorize like a pro. Okay. Here are some few additional tips. Use accessories to highlight your best features. For example, if you have a great neck, you could wear a statement necklace. Or if you have beautiful eyes, you could wear smoky eyes. Okay, go on for smoky eyeshadows. Use accessories to camouflage your less favorite features, okay? For example, if you have large forehead, you can go for bangs. I don't have one, so. Or if you have a round face, you could wear like angled earrings. It's gonna give you a more defined face, okay? Use accessories to balance your proportion. Okay, if you have wider hips, you could choose long earrings and statement necklace to draw attention to your face. Use accessories to make a statement. Okay, if you want to make a bold statement, you could wear a large hat and sunglasses. Yes. Or you could wear a piece of jewelry with personal meaning. No matter what your style is, okay, there are accessories out there for everyone. Perfect for everyone, okay? So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun doing it, okay? So that's all now. See you guys next week. I am gonna go now. I have things to do. So I love you guys. Bye bye. See you next week. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chantal and you're very much welcome. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Oh.